this is potentially like a real changing point in my undergraduate career and for the future as well.
The Astronaut Scholarship boasts itself as a prestigious scholarship for sophomores and juniors in STEM. It is based on academic achievement, research grades.
It's just a really great community. It's unique compared to a lot of other scholarships which just give money. You get mentorship. I have an actual astronaut who is my mentor.
And I feel like everyone has the dream of, oh, I want to be an astronaut someday, and you kind of put it up on a pedestal and like, oh, I want to land on the moon. It's a different experience being like kind of looking up at the sky and looking at the moon and being like, you were standing up there a couple decades ago.
This mentoring relationship lasts throughout the year.
So for example, I'm working with one of the NASA engineers, basically just to kind of help me apply to graduate school and help me figure out my career goals.
I'm applying to graduate schools in both math and applied math. To eventually do research in analysis, which is calculus, and applied math is something along those lines, chaotic systems and inverse problems.
I'm studying math and physics, and my goal is to try and combine both of those to study mathematical physics and try and develop a theory of quantum gravity, hopefully eventually as a professor, so that I can also mentor students while I'm doing research.
My research interests are in plasma physics, so specifically electropropulsion, which is basically how we can get to distant planets, how we keep our satellites up, kind of what you see in Star Trek with the ion thrusters, and then also fusion energy, one of the best clean energy sources we have available right now.
It's really useful to apply even if you don't get it, because that application process is really helpful for learning about yourself and figuring out your goals. Since I was applying as a sophomore, I still was a little all over the place, and then it kind of solidified. I was able to see where all the different things I was doing were pointing together.
There's a long editing process that was tough, but I'm using a lot of that material that they helped me refine for graduate school applications, for fellowship applications.
How to network, how to use LinkedIn, how to really be a scientist and be an early career scientist, and it's been invaluable.